All right, guys, today I've got a quick review of the NICEWIN. This is a dash cam, a 4K dash cam, and this is one that is relatively expensive. So this is $170. So we'll see if the quality holds up here. Got a nice big screen on there, menus on the side, OK menu button, lock, and power button right there, and then a pretty big lens on it with the lens cover, of course. So that is the camera. Let's see what else comes in the bag. This is a dual channel dash cam, so that means that this will also have a rear backup camera. Now this is how you actually mount this camera. It's got this little latch here that actually installs down and then slides. There we go. And now you can mount this directly onto your window. So relatively easy. I always like when that's not too difficult. Now let's see what else we got in here. I've been reviewing a lot of these dash cams, guys. I will leave a link to my dash cam playlist below so you can compare to some other models and see maybe which one you would like. This is a standard USB-C cigarette lighter powered. That's nice to see. And then for the rear camera, it is a stick-on camera here, this is a little bit different shape than some of the other ones. I normally don't test the quality of the rear camera because you just don't need it very often, but this is your typical just sticks directly onto the windshield, and that's what it is right there. You can tighten these hinges to make it so it's not so loose. And then this does run up to the front camera and is powered by aux cord. So let's put this back in the box. This guy right here, let's see, does this come with an SD card? It does not, so that's pretty unfortunate for the price for this to not come with an SD card. Let me double check the box real quick to make sure I didn't miss one. Haha, there is one in here. I was gonna say, that would have been pretty crazy for the price for this to have not included one. So let's go ahead and get this installed. And we'll go plug this into the car, check out the menu, and then we will get some footage of me driving around some streets. Okay, when you get it hooked up, you get prompted to format the SD card. So we will go ahead and hit yes there to do that format. Need to figure out where is the OK button on here. Looks like it is on the top right. So there we go. Starts formatting. And then once it's formatted, it is going to immediately start filming. So that is nice. Let's quickly take a look at the menu here. So it's looping 1 minute, which is good. It's got a parking monitor if you want to turn that on. You can add a watermark to the video that has like the time and all that. We don't necessarily need to do that. Basically just a bunch of customization settings. So let's go ahead. No need to keep doing that. Let's do a drive and see what the quality looks like. Drive and see what the quality looks like. Okay guys, and there you have it, my quick review of the NICEWIN dash cam. Overall, the video quality is, I would say, average to above average. It's pretty decent. Now, one thing I noticed in my clips is that there's a lot of vibration within the video, and I don't know if that's because I mounted it wrong or what's going on there. Maybe there's not good stabilization on the camera. I'm not sure what that is, but that's something you may experience if you get this dash cam. So overall, pretty decent. I will leave a link to it down below if you're interested. And if you want to look into some other Amazon dash cams, I will leave my playlist up here that has a bunch of different Amazon dash cam reviews. As always, thanks for watching Modern Reviews.